I definitely need a fucking grab bar, because that shit is sketchy as fuck. And what up, Huntin With Hick fam? We back. We're gonna do a few things today. First off, I'm gonna vlog style a little bit because we got some time until duck season and I need to get better at talking to the camera. So you guys kind of get to know me more, I guess. Cause yeah, we've been doing well. We've been growing this channel. I'm really saying like the next goal is run this up to 5K subscribers. Like we're already at a little bit over 2K. So let's just keep going. On the docket, first thing, it's raining. Shitty thing about it, raining. Now, if you're an F-150 owner, tell me if you have this problem. I've had 2 F-150s that have had this problem and it is a pain in the ass when it happens. On my windshield wiper switch, I cannot get it to turn off now. So I pulled the fuse and I don't really want to put the fuse back in because it's like raining on and off. So I might go to the car wash and get like that, you know, that Rain-X stuff that like makes the water just roll off your windshield. I'm about to spray my whole windshield down with that. Driving out of my neighborhood is kind of windy, so I need to pay attention. All right, the rest of this video, y'all have been waiting on this. Probably the thumbnail made you click on this because I know my boy Josh is gonna give you a banger thumbnail. But what I wanna do for my boat, I want to get a tiller handle extension. There's like no good ones out there. The ones that you find are really meant for trolling motors. And you can find like the whole different like assembly of the tiller handle, but it's not really extended. I'm gonna try to make one and we'll see how the hell it goes. So I've done this once before and boy did I find the fuck out. I've tried this before with the Minn Kota tiller handle extension for their trolling motors. Holy shit, I almost died. So that's the one time I've ever been thrown out of my boat into the water. I got that extension, put it on my boat, screwed it on there, put it on the tiller. I got a 50 horse on a 15-foot boat, so let's just say it fucking rips. I was out testing it out after I put it together and oh my gosh, I, thank God, was like one of the only times I was ever wearing my kill switch. I'm not saying I'm smart for that, I'm just telling you I never wear it. Well, I was wearing it this day just in case something happened. And I tried to yank a turn at full speed to see how this handle extension would hold up with a turn, and it broke loose on me and sent me yeet into the water. So thank God for a kill switch, and thank God I didn't film that because that would have been embarrassing. So we're gonna try to go round 2. I have some ideas. We're going to Lowe's. This is gonna be the edition of, can we figure it the fuck out without dying? All right, guys, we got that sack. Well, I think we got everything we need. We'll find out. Slide all the way on. We saw that pipe fit on there. That 2-inch one will fit all the way down there. So I do have some ideas if that ends up working. Alright, well it's on there. I think this is gonna fucking work, boys. I'm thinking before I go putting this like cement on for the PVC pipe, I see if it's gonna break loose like with these brackets on, because I do have an idea of like zip tying this, because like back here I can get that to stay. So right now we just need to worry about this. I just realized I'm a dumbass. I don't think I'll need the zip ties. This PVC pipe goes all the way down to there, so I think that'll be enough. All right, there we go. All right, so now I'm gonna put the second bracket on. I think we'll be golden after that. Now at this point, I feel like I just need to duct tape it up more and see if I can take away some of that side-to-side play. Boys and girls, as you can see, the liquid nail grab bar did not fucking work. I don't know if it mattered that it rained all last night on it, but shit fell over. But tiller handle extension, we're gonna give that a go. By the way, it's like 7:30 in the morning and I came out to this little boat ramp off the river and brought a few poles with me. Gonna throw some casts. Who knows, maybe we can get lucky and get on a fish while we're out here too. All right, folks, let's see if this thing fucking works. I definitely need a fucking grab bar. Cause that shit is sketchy as fuck, boys. So yeah, as you can see, it ain't perfect, but it fucking works. I need to figure out a grab bar situation though. That is like literally, if this is gonna stay on, I have to figure that out. All right, if you're still here in the video, 1, thanks for watching. 2, hit the freaking subscribe button if you haven't done that. I think when I look at our videos, we average like 95% or 90% of people that watch the videos are not subscribed. So just imagine how many more subscribers we could have if all you guys just, you know, hit that dang button. Let me know, tell me if you guys have been watching or this is your first video. Tell me what you think. Do you like these kind of videos? Should I make more vlog style videos? Because if you guys like them, shit, I'll make a video like this every other freaking day and we'll be coming out with 3-4 videos a week if that's what you guys want. So tell me, let me know. It's easy. I don't mind talking to the camera. I'm trying to get better at it, trying to get better at vlogging. Let me know if you like it. $50 DIY tiller handle extension. It worked. You saw it. We got to figure out the grab bar next. Maybe that's the next video. All right, Hunt with Hicks fam. Thanks. River Rats, love you. We'll see ya.